My video guide is about removing the scary alerts that are associated with the site Yourtopdefencebulwark.site. This website, Yourtopdefencebulwark.site, is absolutely deceptive. Today it attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make people click on a special allow button. And also it tries to make people scared about the condition of their computers in order to force them into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted applications. So if you see these pop-ups by Yourtopdefencebulwark.site, be very careful, don't interact with them and don't install anything that they suggest. These are fake security alerts. I recommend that you carefully examine your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. So, download it, install it, and then begin investigating the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other infections from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.